What's going on, guys? So I have to tell you, thank you so much for absolutely crushing the last two videos. Y'all ran up the numbers and they did phenomenal. So I want to say thank you. We're still in the preparation for Mustang week. Got to get some stuff from the GT 500. But y'all see the title and thumbnail of today's video. I'm genuinely sick and tired of finding like almost looks like a kick mark, door dings, stuff like that on all my vehicles. Apollo, I don't know if I told you guys on Instagram, but I didn't tell you guys on here. So Apollo got the fattest, like when I tell you the fattest door ding and chip, like it took it straight down to the metal. Like it's down to the metal. In my opinion, the whole door needs to be repainted just from this. Because I don't, like the chip is so deep, like it took the primer off, it took the whole paint off, it is down to the bare metal on the passenger side door. I was a little pissed, and it's kind of sad because I'm at a track event where, you know, all car enthusiasts are, and no one could have been like, hey bro, I accidentally door dinged your car. I'd have been like, if someone would have told me that, I'd been like, listen, don't worry about it. I know shit happens. If you're straight up and tell me honestly, yeah, I would have been like, it's whatever, it happens. But now, for the next time someone door dings my vehicle, I partnered up with this company called Van True. Awesome company, awesome to work with. They were super legit, straightforward, and you guys know I really don't partner with anyone, but this is a company for dash cams. So we're gonna hook it up in the Shelby today, and I'm gonna show you guys the door ding on Apollo. It's pretty bad. Also, to not even forget this, you guys know the Explorer ST we have in the family. It's been hit twice now, twice. One in the rear, shattered the rear bottom reflector or something, and also on the front bumper. Literally walked out and there was like an impression of a tag, like it imprinted itself into the front bumper. Got it out with some heat, but yeah, it's kind of crazy just to think how many people just hit your vehicle and don't leave a note or just don't do anything. I mean, that wouldn't be considered a hit and run, but you know what I mean. At least leave your information to the point where, well, now I don't need anyone to leave their information. Go ahead, hit my shit. Van True's got my back, and we're gonna hook this up, and no one's gonna hit my car ever again. Just so you guys know, Zeus is the one that's gonna be at Mustang Week. Apollo will be hanging back this year, unfortunately. I wish I could bring both cars somehow, but Apollo's gonna stay. Hold down the fortress. But check out the sticker we put on Apollo. I ordered this for my truck for that third middle window that slides back and forth. I ordered it in white, but it came in black, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put it on Apollo. So it says "In God We Trust" right there on the rear quarter. I think that actually looks really good. Let me know what you guys think of that. If you guys want that, I'll put the link in the description. If you comment, I'll put it in the description. If you don't want it, won't put it. So you guys know we're taking the Shelby. Like I said, I don't know if I put in the other clips because I was filming some yesterday, but I got the car all cleaned up. Rear seat to lead back in. I need to get some clips for that, just to put that back in 100%. But yeah, and we have to install the dash cam mounted up for the top. But let me show you Apollo and the fender and the door chip. I showed you guys the fender before. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it was a little back, a little kind of hard to see. With white, it's really not gonna show up too much, but there's like a nice about 3 to 4 inch crease. Looks like someone just walked up and kicked it with their shoe, just like right there, like a good swing and kick. And then you can see the door ding from a mile away. Look at that. That is so fat. Like it is literally the width of my finger. And it's down to the metal, and you can still see it has like some orange in it, some orangish yellow. So I don't know. If I had a dash cam, yes, I could have figured out who did it. I think like the dash cam would know if there's an impact detected. Don't quote me on it, but it tells you, I know for a fact, like every time there's movement or something happens or it recorded something. So if someone hitting the car, jolting the car, I could have found out who did it and been like, bro, why'd you hit my car or something, or just probably end up fighting the person. But yeah, here we are. We're gonna install this dash cam. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Actually, it looks really, really simple. Just plugs in right into the cigarette ashtray. Also, this American company that does ceramic coating or like spray wax and stuff, Torque Detail, they hit me up, sent me some free ceramic spray wax. I used it on the Raptors today. A lot of the spots on the Raptor were like, I don't want to say rust spots, but like, I don't know why, always with the white trucks and the aluminum, like my old F-150 had it, my F-250 had it. It gets like, they said it was from the rail car dust. The rail car dust from the trucks being transported. I don't know how true that is. I don't know if my Raptor was ever on a train, but yeah, this detail spray, go check them out. If there is a link for this, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, worked awesome, got all that stuff out, and we'll be bringing this to Mustang Week to see how it ends up working on the Shelby for the long term. But let's get this camera stuff situated, hook it up in the Shelby, just in case no one hits the Shelby, knock on wood. That will just be, honestly, I kind of regret even saying that someone hits the Shelby. If someone hits the Shelby, you might as well lock me up, throw me in jail. And if it's a true accident, then okay, but If it's someone doing stupid stuff, then they hit the car, I'm leaving the chat. What's up, meatball? Little fat boy. Little fat boy. All right, so I just finished up setting up the dash cam in the settings. So I set like motion, stuff like that, collision warning, set it to reformat the SD card every 15 days. I put a 64 gigabyte in there. This was actually really, really easy to set up. All you have to do is download the app. Obviously, Vantrue, V-A-N-T-R-U-E. Go to the model you have, like you can see right here, mine's the model E1. Very simple, and just go through. Once you connect it to the Wi-Fi for both devices, they sync up, and then you go through the settings. You can pick through, like when I tell you this is the easiest setup I've ever done, and I hate setting up electronics like this. Like I genuinely hate it with a passion. Like I'll pay someone to do this stuff before, but I said, you know what, I got to do it. It's for the video, and it was actually really, really simple. I even told the company, I was like, listen, if it's difficult to set up, don't even send it to me because I just hate dealing with technology and stuff like this. So we got it. All we got to do is now pull the 3M, find a good place to stick it up in the Shelby, and plug everything in. So very, very simple setup, which is a plus for people that don't know how to do it. And stuff always usually seems, freaking open up. Jesus. Yeah, stuff usually always seems like it's difficult to do. And I think we're going to stick it as high as we can, maybe right behind that little black piece where it cuts down with the Ford. Let me set you guys down to see if we can set it up real quick. All right, we're live. We are live. Let me see if I set this up real quick. Looking good in the Shelby, baby. All right, so ignore this red light. See this? This is what I call the fat pull. When you're starting to get fat, you pull your shirt away from you because you're getting fat. If you notice, Brandon has the fat pull. Brandon does have the fat pull a lot. Plug this sucker in. Boom. Just like that. I need to get my phone so I can pull it up on the screen when you do it so you can get like kind of the visual. It's kind of like the same thing as the GoPros. I don't know if you guys ever done that with the GoPro settings. Oh, dude, that's actually going to sit really nice in there. Right behind the radar detector. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me aim it up for you guys. Look. I'm going to put it right there. Aim it forward. That's perfect. No one can even see it. It's going to be hidden. They're going to think it's the radar detector. All right, see guys right here? I got the camera on. See, I'm pointing it at you guys now. I'm pointing it out there. Pointing it out to the street. So yeah, it's working. It's live. It's connected. You can see Wi-Fi connected to my phone. So it all synced up. I think every time I just have it on, I set up to save the Wi-Fi and everything's connected. So all now I got to do is set you guys down, mount this up, make sure it's good to go, and we'll be straight. All right, so one last shout out to Vantrue. Thank you guys so much. You guys won't be able to see it. It's hidden up in the Shelby right there in the middle. So yeah, so now I set the notifications to notify me every time someone walks in front of the vehicle. Motion is set to high. Sensitivity, I put it through the roof. So anyone walking near the vehicle, I'm going to get notified. It's going to send me a video of the person walking through the car directly to my phone, which is awesome. So if you guys want to check out Vantrue, like I said, the link will be in the description. Go run them up. And yeah, now I feel better that Zeus will be protected anywhere it sits in the parking lot, besides the backside. But yeah, the front half to there, be safe and sound. All right, so Chuck was on his way over to the house. His car, he was swapping tunes from 85 to pump gas, and he completely messed something up. So we're going to start Apollo. We're going to head over to go save him because this is going to be the last time driving this car. So I figured, you know what? We'll take Apollo to go to the rescue. Fire this old girl up. Cold start. Well, Chuck's blue car is down at the moment. For some reason, we had a massive error code when switching over tune files. And of course, Chuck parked right where it's leaking water. So yeah, she's wet. She's broke. How you feeling right now?
Just eat some popcorn chips.
Yeah, you're just chilling? So the ECU is practically bricked for some odd reason. It's one of those fluke things they said. We did nothing wrong. We did nothing wrong when doing it. We've done this a million times.
SETU on the white car probably 50 times back and forth.
Yeah, it's just something that, I don't know. It was an error code, shut it down. It was right about to be finished, then went, took a dump, and here we are. Chuck had to call me to the rescue. We took the beast, Apollo, had to bring out the big tire. You know, it is what it is. So this is usually how Mustang Week prep goes, you know?
So we're gonna ship the car down to SET. Where are they at?
Yeah, I think in Florida where the hurricane's hitting.
Ship down there.
Tell them get it dialed in.
Everybody's been pulling up on us asking the race, but the car's down, so.
Yeah, we can't race them right now. Oh, you didn't even show them your blue shifter. Get in there. Take this and show them.
How am I gonna show them?
Show the people.
You show them.
All right, look at that. Why are you trying to get faster on me? You're throwing mods out here like that, and I don't even have a shifter. Piece of crap.
It's all about how you shift in these automatic cars.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you can't miss. All right, let's check the timer. Oh, that's hinged. Don't want to check that. All right, 2 minutes and 36 seconds. So we're rolling.
The guy's about to back up into my shit.
I would cry laughing. Just plows into you. We need a tow truck anyway. If this don't work, we need a tow truck.
Well,
AKA
we're doing
Raptor.
a part out here at Rofo. So if anyone wants
Why do we always find ourselves at Rural Farms?
I don't know.
Tag
Honestly,
Rural Farms
I was
again.
trying to get to your house. Let's show them what we're gonna install.
Yeah, we did get some new parts for it.
I don't know if my trunk will open.
It's not gonna open right now. I already tried.
Okay, never mind that.
Yep, there's vertical links in there somewhere, and Colin went with the Steeda one, so we planned on putting them on tonight. That was the goal, but yeah, here we are.
Now we're just about to take a bunch of pre-workout and see what happens here in the Rofo parking lot.
Fuck AAA. AAA, if you're watching this, cancel my membership. Eat shit. My card's valid, but now they're saying, oh, you've been canceled since last year. Well, why does this say it expires November 1st, 2023? Look at the Camaro. Look at the Camaro. Holy. Yeah, what's up? What's the U-turn, bro? Hit that shit from the 40 car.
Show everyone your AAA numbers on the card.
No. You see the expiration.
We're all set up, ready to go.
Mustang week prep without shit breaking, honestly. It was going too smooth. Too smooth. Now, look at this. Yeti to the freaking rescue. Yeah. Chuck's car's down. You guys saw that?
Saw what happened? I talked shit about China so much they hacked my fucking Mustang.
Well, we're about to eat a cheeseburger real quick, because I need it. Then we gotta go pick up Chuck's
Then
car.
we're gonna throw my car on here, drive 30 minutes, and then come back.
Yeah, then we're coming back. That's my pit bull. Well, we're back. We made it to Rofo. Chuck's car is still sitting over there. No one stole it. We gotta get all this stuff situated, unhook the trailer, and this is gonna be a challenge because his car does not run. That is the only thing. And I forgot to pull the pin out. Complete idiot. Pull this, take this out, lift that. The tuner, if it starts up now, I'm gonna be pissed. All right, and gotta release this one. Boom, boom. And release the valve over here, and should tilt right on back. Yep, and she should be good. Walk her on back. Tilt trailer is the best. She creaks a little bit, but nothing WD-40 won't fix. All right, boys. It's either gonna go really bad or really good. We just destroyed Colin's front end, unfortunately. Wish us luck. Drop a like on this video. All right, well, this last try, I'm out of breath because I'm fat, and we failed about 20 times now. So let's give this one more try. Yeah, it's as good as it's gonna get, but we just destroyed Colin's front end, unfortunately. Not too bad. If anyone's got a front lip, please hit us up. We'll bring tools, change that Mustang week. Let us know. We gotta get this thing strapped down. 40-minute drive to the shop, 45-minute back. And yeah. I'm spent right now. I'm out of breath. I'm fat. Ate a cheeseburger right before this. Out of breath, yep. Need some oxygen right now. All right, boys, girls, we just got back to the house. It is 9 o'clock, 8:59 on the dot. I'm smoked right now, super tired. Did so much today. Did so much, but I don't know where the day went. Much love as always. Thank you guys so much for running up all the videos. Like I said, Mustang week is here. We are literally a couple days out, and today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're leaving Saturday, so practically 2.5 more days, I could say. And we got merch. We have all the shirts, jet tags. I got a bunch of stuff for you guys. We're going to be giving out a lot of free stuff also. So yeah, it's all to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to blow this thing up, get it to 100K, get it to 1 mil. Just takes time, and it's been a steady, hard grind for 3 years. So much love as always. Come see me in Chuck and Mustang Week. Honestly, one of the days we'll probably be chilling at the house. If you guys want to pull up to the house and see the cars, you're more than welcome. Like you guys know, dash cams on the car, so no one will be messing with the Shelby. But yeah, run up the dash cam. It was actually pretty cool. It worked great. And yeah, we'll probably be outside drinking beer, and if you guys want to come by and grab a shirt, more than welcome. Just hit me up on Instagram, like I said, same as YouTube, and much love. Everyone, be safe going down to Mustang Week. Godspeed, safe travels, and I will catch y'all in the next.
It wasn't the fame, but he gave me his love, and then I was to blame. Never shut him out, never let him go. Now I got God by my side for the ride. Only he decides when it's time to go. Not by the 9 or the 45, yeah. Believe in yourself and love what you do. Shoot for the stars, but never aim low. Your thoughts on the moon. Yeah, I am the proof.